All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Saturday, phrasal verbs. So climb up. Yeah, climb up. Ascend. Yeah, and go higher. I want to climb up that mountain. I'm training to climb up the mountains. Yeah. We need to climb up to the top. Yes, climb up. Definitely. How did they climb up there so fast? How did they get from there to there so fast? Wow. Yeah. I will climb up the hill. We are slowly climbing up the hill. Climbing up the hill because anything, it is a challenge. Yes, it's a challenge. Yes, but we're doing it. How cool is that? They're climbing up the mountain. Yeah, look at that. They're climbing up the mountain together. We're climbing up the mountain together. It will be a good experience. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? I climbed up the Wrekin. I climbed up from mid-level management to senior management over the years. I climbed up from senior management. I climbed up to senior management over the years. How cool is that? Yes, I'm climbing up Arthur's seat now. Yeah. When I was in Edinburgh, I climbed up the big hill next to the city. Arthur's seat. Yeah, seat. It was very easy. Yeah. When I first saw that hill, I wanted to climb up it. That was years ago. Yes, and I did climb up it back in July 2021. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? Very good. So, I will I will climb up. I will climb up Ben Nevis. I think the climb up Ben Nevis might take a while, but it will be an amazing achievement. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. And I will climb up Snowdonia soon. Yes, in a few weeks I'm planning to climb up Snowdonia. I want to get a lot of work done before then. Yeah, I want to get a lot of work done first and then climb. I want to get a lot of work done before I climb up the mountain, Snowdonia. Yeah, get all the work first, and then I'll have loads of time to climb up it. Get the work done first, and then I will have plenty of time to climb up it. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, climb up. Yes, how cool is that? So, can you use climb up in a sentence? Climb up the corporate ladder, climb up the mountain, and beyond. Yeah. Comment below. And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah, how cool is that? And you can also find me on Udemy when you search my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.